Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami 2-layered flower. This is a modular origami. I have used 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I've cut into 8 pieces. So this is the square sheet of paper. First cut this paper into 4 pieces. Then cut this paper into half. So now we have 8 pieces. Let's start. Fold the paper into half horizontally. Then fold into half vertically. Open the flap and bring this side to the center crease. This was a pre-creasing. Just open the flap and flatten it as shown. Turn the paper and flip this flap to the left hand side and fold this as demonstrated. Fold a triangle over here. Then turn the model. Bring this tip to the center line, then make a crease. Make a petal shape by folding the triangle like this. Fold down this tip to this point to make a petal shape. Turn the model. Bring this flap to this crease line and make a crease. Lift single flap as shown and make a crease. Fold down small triangle by maintaining the same distance from here to here. Place the flap on the right hand side. Now fold a small triangle to the back side to give a curve shape. One module is done. Make all the 8 modules by following the same steps. Now let's assemble the modules. Open this flap to the right hand side. Then apply little bit of glue on this space. Take another module and place it on the first module. Make sure that you get this line straight. Then lift this flap and tuck in the previous flap. Repeat this step for all the petals. Finally, attach the first and the last module to finish the flower. Origami double layered flower is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.